is Christopher, and I'm going to be doing YLOC 2nd grade worksheet level 20, lesson 25. And what we'll be covering today are fractions. And so we're going to be doing fractions, coin addition, reading picture graphs, and some word problems. So yeah, let's start off with fractions. So it says write each fraction using the numbers. So let's count how many pieces there are in total, and then let's see how many are shaded. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 total. However, let me do a different color. However, all are shaded, so we know it's going to be 8 out of 8. So for this one, this is going to be, so we're going to write them in words now. So it's going to be 8 eighths. Sorry. Okay, let's do number 3. So let's see how many total pieces there are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, there's 8. And let's see how many are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 are shaded. So this is going to be 4 eighths. Okay. Let's do one more. So there are 1, 2, 3. There are 4. There are 4 total, and 1, 2, 3. 3 are shaded. So this is going to be 3/4 as our answer. Okay, finally, let's do coin addition. So add the coins to find the total. So it says penny is 1 cent, nickel is 5 cents, dime is 10 cents, quarter is 25 cents, and half a dollar is 50 cents. So let's take a look at this. So there's a penny here, and there's another penny. But look, this is a dime, so this is going to be 10. This is a nickel, so 5 and 10. So let's add these together. So penny plus penny, 2 pennies, 2. 10 plus 5, sorry, let's do dime plus dime. So dime plus dime, that's 20. Then let's add the nickel, and that's 25. And then 25 plus 2, that's pretty easy. So that's going to be 27. So that's going to be 27 cents. Okay, let's do number 3. So number 3, we got a dime, a penny, half a dollar, which is going to be 50 cents, and another dime, and another penny. So let's do a dime and dime. So that's 20. Penny plus penny, 2. Then let's do 20 plus 50, so 20 and the half dollar, and that's going to be 70. So 70 plus 2, sorry. Sorry. This is not a half a dollar. This is actually a quarter. I looked at this wrong, guys. Sorry. So the answer for this one, instead of, it's going to be 20 plus 25, so that's 45, and 45 plus 2, that's 47. So voila, there you have it for number 3, 47 cents. Okay, let's take a look at reading picture graphs. Terry asked his classmate about their favorite colors. He made this picture graph with the results. So red has 1, 2, 3. Blue has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Green has 1, 2, 3. Other has 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4. So there's 3, 5, 3, 4. So let's just answer all of these. So as it said before, looking at this, we see that 1 paint equals 2 students, meaning that 3 will turn into a 6 instead, and 5 would turn into a 10. This other green would be 6, and other would be 8. So let's see, how many students does each paint represent? So we know this answer by looking at this. So it would be 2 students. How many students chose green as their favorite color? Again, we've already did this, so there's 3 of these, meaning that, but each one is 2, so that's going to be 6. It says, how many classmates does Terry have? So we got to count all of these, but since we have wrote down all the numbers, here they are. So 6, 10, 6, 8. So 6 plus 6, that's 12. 12 plus 8, that's 20. And 20 plus 10, that's going to be 30. So how many classmates does he have in total? 30. Okay. Let's just do 4 as the last one. So it says, which color did most students choose? So let's see. 6 and blue, red and blue. Let's see. 10 is greater than 6, so blue is still blue. So blue is greater. Then let's do blue and green. 10 blue is still greater because 10 over 6, and 10 blue and the others. So yeah, blue would be the color most students have chosen. Okay, let's do word problems. Jacqueline has 8 tablets set up in her backyard for a birthday party. If Jacqueline needs 26 tables in total, how many more tables does she need to set up? So looking at this, it says how many more tables does she need to set up. So she has 26 tables that she needs to set up, but she's only done 18. So we're going to do 26 minus 18. So that's going to change to 6, 1, and that's going to be 8. So how many more tables does Jacqueline need to set up? 8 more tables. Okay, let's do number 3. So it says 24 birds sitting on the there's 24 birds sitting on the apple tree, 31 birds are in the cherry, 18 birds are sitting in the orange tree. How many birds are there altogether? So it says altogether, we automatically know we're gonna have to add up all of these. So we're gonna do 24 plus 31, 5, so 55, 55 plus 18 now. 3, 1, 7. So that's going to be 73 birds altogether. Okay, let's do number 4 as the last one. So it says from question 3, if 15 birds are from the cherry tree flew to the orange tree, how many more birds are there now in the cherry tree? How many birds are sitting in the orange tree? So let's go back to the old one. So it says that 18 birds were sitting on the orange tree and 31 birds were sitting on the cherry. So this one asks how many birds are now in the cherry tree. So if 15 birds from the cherry tree flew to the orange tree, so originally we had 18, 15 flew away. So we're going to do 18 minus 15, and that's 3. So how many birds are now in the cherry tree? There's only going to be 3. Sorry. I read this wrong. From flew to the orange tree, how many birds are on the cherry tree? Sorry. It's not going to be 18 minus 15. It's going to be 31 minus 15, and that's going to be 16. So 16 birds are now on the cherry tree. So how many birds are sitting in the orange tree? So since we know that 15 birds flew to the orange tree, we're going to do 18 plus 15, and that's going to be 33. So how many birds are sitting in the orange tree? That's going to be 33 birds are sitting in the orange tree. So there you guys have it.